Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here with OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, watch this. We're over here in Fullerton, California, and we're excited to show you this one because once the building codes changed in California, late 50s, early 60s, we went from a raised foundation where all the homes had original hardwood flooring installed everywhere but the bathroom and kitchens. They went to the concrete slabs. So they were like, some of the houses would have wood floors upstairs, but a couple of the contractors were doing like glue down parquet, some of the first engineered veneer type wood flooring. And that's what we have here. I'm gonna turn this around and let you see that. So here we go. I mean, this thing's pretty dirty, just like over the last 60 years, who knows what's been going on, a lot of construction. So these were glued down, pre-finished. A slight little bevel in between each board. And this thing's gonna look different. It's gonna be so nice. So I think there used to be a wall here over the years, I guess. And they had someone come in and do a repair. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Look at the difference, ladies and gentlemen. It's a total different house. Total different house. Man, this thing looks beautiful. And we're not finished. We're going to do one more coat of finish. Just set it off. Whew, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. 75-year-old parquet brought back to life. All right, guys, whatever you're doing today, enjoy it.